Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss exercise 6.2. The first bit is a is equals to 7 and d equals to 3, n is equals to 8, and he's asking to find an. An is nothing but nth term or general term. A is the first term, d common difference, n number of terms, and an nth term or general term. So we have formula related to an. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So simply we want an, so an as it is equals to a value is given as 7 plus n value is given as 8 minus 1 into d common difference is given as 3. So now an is equals to 7 plus 8 minus 1, 7 into 3, which is equals to 7 plus 7 3s are 21, 7 plus 21, 28. So an is equals to 28, or nth term is 28. Next one, a, that is first term, is equals to minus 18, and common difference we need to find. N is equals to given as 10 and an is 0. So write the formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an is given as 0 is equals to a is given as minus 18 plus n is given as 10 minus 1 into d. So 0 is equals to minus 18 plus 10 minus 1, 9 into d, 9d. Now this minus 18 I will take to the left side, it will become plus 18. 18 is equals to 9d, and 18 is equals to 9d. Then what about d value? D is equals to 18 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 twos are. So common difference is equals to 2. The next question is a is equals to how much? D is equals to minus 3, n is equals to 18, and an is equals to minus 5. We need to find the a value, that is first term. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here an is given as minus 5 is equals to a, we need to find out, plus n is given as 18 minus 1 into common difference is given as minus 3. So minus 5 is equals to a plus 18 minus 1, 17 of minus 3. So minus 5 is equals to a, 17 into minus 3, minus 51. Now I will take this minus 51 to the left side. So minus 5 as it is minus 51 will become plus 51 is equals to a. So a is equals to 51 minus 5, 46. So the first term, that is a or a1, is 46. The next question is a is equals to minus 18.9, d is equals to 2.5, and n is equals to, we need to find, and an is given as 3.6. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula we know. So an is given as 3.6 is equals to a is given as minus 18.9 plus n we need to find out minus 1 of d is given as 2.5. So what I will do, first I will take this minus 18.9 to the left side, it will become plus. So 3.6 plus 18.9 is equals to n minus 1 into 2.5. Here 3.6 plus 18.9, here 9 plus 6, 15, 5 and carry 90, 22, so 22.5 is equals to n minus 1 into 2.5. Now I will bring this 2.5 also to the left side, it will become division. So we get 22.5 divided by 2.5 is equals to n minus 1. 2.5 ones are 2.5 nines are. So n minus 1 is equals to 9. N minus 1 is equals to 9. This minus 1 if we take to right side, it will become plus 1. So n is equals to 9 plus 1, that is nothing but 10. The next question is a is equals to 3.5 and d equals to 0, n is equals to 105. Then an we need to find. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. an he's asking to find, so as it is an, a value is given as 3.5 plus n value 105 minus 1 into common difference 0. So an is equals to 3.5 plus 105 minus 1 is 104 into 0. So an is equals to 3.5 plus 104 into 0 is 0. So an is equals to 3.5. Nth term an is 3.5. Now let's move to the second bit. Okay, the second bit is find. In that first question, 30th term of the AP. Now in the question already he confirmed that the given series is arithmetic progression. Here also he gave already it is arithmetic progression. So no need of any worry, directly we can take the formula. So whenever he is asking to find some term, the formula is nth term formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. First, let us check whether we have all the terms or not. A is nothing but 10. N, he is asking about 30th term, so n value will be 30. And then what about common difference? So common difference is equals to second term 7 minus first term 10. So 7 minus 10 minus 3. So now n is nothing but 30th term is equals to a value 10 plus of n minus 1, n is 30 minus 1 into common difference is minus 3. So we get 10 plus 30 minus 1, 29 of minus 3, which is equals to 10. 29 into minus 3. 3 9s are 27, 7 2 carry, 3 2s are 6, 8. 87. 10 minus 87 minus 77. So 30th term of the given AP is minus 77. Now here also same formula, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, because he is asking to find the 11th term. A value minus 3, n value 11, and we want common difference. So difference is equals to second term minus 1 by 2 minus first term minus 3, which is equals to minus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 3 equals to, here we need to do multiplication. Minus 1 as it is, 2 3s are 6 divided by 2. Minus 1 plus 6, 5 divided by 2. Now let us substitute in the formula. an we are doing, so here n is nothing but 11, 11th term. So a11 is equals to a value minus 3 plus n minus 1, n is 11 minus 1 into common difference 5 by 2. So we get minus 3 plus 11 minus 1, 10 into 5 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 5s are. So we will get minus 3 plus 5 into 5, 25. Minus 3 plus 25 is nothing but 22. So A11 is equals to 22. That is 11th term of the given AP is 22. Okay, the next third bit is find the respective terms of the following APs. So before going into this concept, let us have a little discussion about some other concept. Till now we wrote the general formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. For example, if I want 7th term, that is a7, which is equals to a plus 7 minus 1 into d, nothing but a plus 6d. The same way, if I want 12th term, a12 is equals to a plus 12 minus 1 into d, which is equals to a plus 12 minus 1, 11d. For example, if I want 100th term, a100 is equals to a plus 100 minus 1 into d, which is equals to a plus 99d. Now if we observe the logic here 7th term a plus 6d, here 12th term a plus 11d, here 100th term a plus 99d. So which term we are finding less than 1? 12th 11d, 100 99d. So just this logic, keep it in mind. Okay, now let's come to the first question. A1 is given as 2 and A3 is given as 26, and he is asking to find A2. A1, A2, A3. These are consecutive only, so no problem anything. Now first term is A1, comma, second term A2, comma, third term A3. So first term is given as 2, comma, A2 we don't know, so I am writing it as A2 only, and A3 is given as 26. So we know very well, if it is AP, third term minus second term and second term minus first term, both answers should be same, otherwise common difference is same. So second term A2 minus first term is exactly equals to third term 26 minus second term A2. Now I will bring this minus A2 to the left side and minus 2 to the right side. So we will get A2, this minus A2 will become plus A2 is equals to 26 as it is. This minus 2 will become plus 2. A2 plus A2, 2 times A2 is equals to 28. 2A2 is equals to 28, then A2 is equals to 14. So second term is 14. Next, A2 is equals to 13 and A4 is equals to 3. Then he is asking to find A1 and A3. Here, these all are not in order, so we need to go with the process. A2 is given, so A2 is A plus 1D. That is given as 13. A4, fourth term is given, so A4 is equals to A plus 3D is equals to 3. Second term is A plus 1D. Fourth term is A plus 3D. Just now I said the logic there. Now, these two equations I am subtracting. This plus will become minus, plus will become minus, plus will become minus. Plus A minus A cancel. 1D minus 3D minus 2D is equals to 13 minus 3, 10. Minus 2D is equals to 10. Then D is equals to minus 5. Now this D value we can substitute either in the first equation or else in the second equation. Out of these two equations, first one is looking easy, so I am substituting in the first equation only. A plus 1D is equals to 13. A plus 1 of D is nothing but minus 5, which is equals to 13. A 1 into minus 5 is equals to 13. This minus 5 I will take to right side, it will become plus 5. So A is equals to 13 plus 5, 18. A value we got as 18 and D value we got as minus 5. Now what he is asking? He is asking to find A1. A1 is nothing but A itself. A1, A both are same. So A1 first term is nothing but 18. Then he is asking A3. What about A3? A3 is equals to A plus 2D. So we know the A value, that is 18 plus 2 into common difference minus 5. So 18 plus into minus, 2 5s are 10. 18 minus 10, 8. So A3 is equals to 8. So A1 is 18, A2 is given already, A3 is 8. A1, A3 he is asking to find, and we got those values. Okay, next. A1 is given as 5 and A4 is given as 9.5. So what is the value of 9.5? 2 into 9, 18 plus 1, 19 divided by 2. 9, 1 by 2 is in the mixed fraction form. I converted that to improper fraction. So now okay, A4 is given. A4 is nothing but A plus 3D. This A plus 3D is given as 19 by 2. And first one, A1 is the same as A. So A is equals to 5. Now this A value 5 I will substitute in this first equation. A plus 3D is equals to 19 by 2. In the place of A, I am going to substitute 5 plus 3D equals to 19 by 2. Now I will take this 5 to the right side. So we get 3D is equals to 19 by 2 minus 5. So we get 3D is equals to 19 minus 2 5s are 10 divided by 2. So 3D is equals to 19 minus 10. 9 divided by 2. 3 1s are 3 3s are. So D is equals to 3 divided by 2. Next, he is asking A2 and A3. A2 is equals to A plus 1D. A value 5 plus 1 into D value 3 by 2. So which is equals to 5 plus 1 into 3 by 2, 3 by 2. This if we multiply 2 5s are 10 plus 3 whole divided by 2, which is nothing but 13 by 2, that is A2. Second term of the AP is 13 by 2. Next he is asking A3. So A3 is equals to A plus 2D, which is equals to A value is 5 plus 2 into D value is 3 by 2. Here 2 will get cancelled, so we remains with 5 plus 3, that is nothing but 8. So A3 is equals to 8. Okay, the next question is A1 is equals to minus 4 and A6 is equals to 6. First term and sixth term is given. He is asking to find A2, A3, A4, A5. So first term, sixth term is given and is asking to find the middle term, that is 2, 3, 4, 5. Now A1 is nothing but A. So A1 is equals to A, which is equals to minus 4. Next A6. A6 is nothing but A plus 5D. It is given as 6. So in the place of A, I will substitute minus 4. Minus 4 plus 5D is equals to 6. This minus 4 I will take to the right side. So we will get 5D is equals to 6 plus 4. 5D is equals to 10. Then D is equals to 2. So first term is A, that is minus 4, and common difference is 2. So now he is asking to find A2, A3, A4, A5. So instead of substituting in the formula, I will keep on adding the common difference. A1 is minus 4. Then we want the values of A2, A3, A4 and A5. For minus 4, if we add the common difference, that is 2. Minus 4 plus 2, minus 2. Now again for this minus 2, if we add the common difference 2, minus 2 plus 2, 0. For this 0, adding common difference 2, 0 plus 2, 2. Again for this 2, adding common difference 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So A1 is minus 4 given, A2 minus 2, A3 0, A4 2, A5 4 and A6 is 6. The next question is A2 is equals to 38 and A6 is equals to minus 22. Then find the values of A1, A3, A4, A5. A2 is nothing but A plus 1D, which is equals to 38. A6 is nothing but A plus 5D is equals to minus 22. These two equations I will do subtraction. Plus will become minus, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Plus A minus A cancel. 1D minus 5D minus 4D is equals to 38 plus 22, 60. Minus 4D is equals to 60. Then D is equals to 60 divided by minus 4. 4 1s are 4 15s are. So D is equals to minus 15. Now this D value we can substitute either in the first equation or else in the second equation. I am substituting in the first equation. A plus 1D is equals to 38. A plus 1 of, in the place of D, minus 15 is equals to 38. So we will get A 1 into minus 15. Minus 15 is equals to 38. This minus 15 I will take to the right side. It will become plus 15. So A is equals to 38 plus 15. A is equals to 38 plus 15. 53. First term also we got. A value we got and D value we got. So now let us check one by one what he is asking. A1 is nothing but A. So A1 is equals to 53. Next. A2 is equals to, already he gave in the question itself, that is 38. Then we need to find the values of A3, A4 and A5. Very simple. Keep on adding the difference. For 38, minus 15. 38 minus 15. 23. Again 23 minus 15. 8. 8 minus 15 minus 7. These are the values which we required. Okay, the next question is, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on is 78? So whenever they are asking the question which term, simply take the nth term formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An or nth term is nothing but 78 is equals to a is the first term, 3 plus n we need to find out n minus 1 into d, common difference. Here second term is 8 minus first term is 3, so 8 minus 3 5, common difference is 5. Now I will take this plus 3 to the left side, so we will get 78 minus 3 is equals to 70 n minus 1 into 5. 78 minus 3, 75 is equals to n minus 1 into 5. Now I will take this 5 also to the left side, so we will get 75 divided by 5 is equals to n minus 1. 5 ones are 5 15s are, so n minus 1 is equals to 15. Then minus 1 if we take to the right side, we will get n is equals to 15 plus 1, that is nothing but 16. So it means in the given AP the 16th term is 78. The next question is, find the number of terms. He gave one progression and he is asking how many terms are there in that. 7, 13, 9 and so on till 205. So go with the nth term formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An, that is last term 205, is equals to a first term 7 plus n value we don't know, n minus 1 into d, common difference. Second term 13 minus first term 7. 13 minus 7 6. So common difference is 6. Now I will take this 7 to the left side, so we will get 205 minus 7 equals to n minus 1 into 6. Here 205 minus 7 is nothing but 198 is equals to n minus 1 into 6. Now I will take 6 also to the left side, so we will get 198 divided by 6 is equals to n minus 1. Let us do cancellation. 6 ones are 633s are, so we get n minus 1 is equals to 33. This minus 1 also I will take to the right side, so we will get n is equals to 33. This minus 1 will become plus 1, so n is equals to 33 plus 1, 34. So it means from 7 to 205 total 34 terms are there. Next 18, 15 half, 13 and so on till minus 47. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An last term minus 47 is equals to a is nothing but first term 18 plus n we don't know, n minus 1 into d. What is the common difference then? Second term minus first term. Okay, so here second term minus first term. Second term is 15 half. From 15 half if you subtract 18 we will get minus 2 half, minus 2.5. Minus 2.5 also you can write it as 2 1 by 2, no problem, both are same. So now this 18 I will take to the left side, so we will get minus 47 minus 18 is equals to n minus 1 into minus 2.5. Minus 47 minus 18, 8 7 15, 5 1 carry, 4 1 5 6 minus 65 is equals to n minus 1 times of minus 2.5. Now this minus 2.5 I will take to the left side, so minus 65 divided by minus 2.5 is equals to n minus 1. Here minus minus will get cancelled, so we remains with 65 divided by 2.5. Here 65 divided by 2.5 is nothing but 26. So n minus 1 is equals to 26. This minus 1 I will take to the right side, then it will become plus 1. So n is equals to 27. In the given progression total 27 terms are there. The next question is, check whether minus 150 is a term of the given progression or not. So nth term formula, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is nothing but which term he is asking to check, that is minus 150 is equals to a is the first term 11 plus n we don't know, n minus 1 into d, common difference. Here second term is 8 minus first term is 11, 8 minus 11 minus 3. Now I will take this 11 to the left side, so we will get minus 150. This plus 11 will become minus 11 equals to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 150 minus 1 minus 11 minus 161 is equals to n minus 1 of minus 3. I will take this minus 3 also to the left side. Minus 161 divided by minus 3 is equals to n minus 1. Minus minus cancel. In 161 won't be divisible by 3, so that's why I'm keeping like that only as it is. 161 divided by 3 equals to n minus 1. Now we want the value of n, so I will take this minus 1 to 161 by 3. If I take this minus 1 to the left side, it will become plus 1 is equals to n. So n is equals to 161 plus 3 ones are 3 whole divided by 3. So n is equals to 164 divided by 3. If you do cancellation for this, 3 ones are 3 5s are 15, 1 remains 14, 3 4s are 12, again 2 remains 0.6. So n is equals to 54.6. It means one term will be there, two terms will be there, or 10 terms will be there, or 100 terms will be there, but 54.6 terms won't be there. So it means minus 150 is not a term in the given AP. The next question is, find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 72. He gave clearly 11th term. So 11th term is nothing but a plus 10d, that is given as 38. And 16th term is 73. So 16th term is nothing but a plus 15d is equals to 73. These two equations I am doing subtraction. So plus will become minus, plus will become minus, plus will become minus. Plus a minus a cancel. 10d minus 15d minus 5d is equals to 38 minus 73 is nothing but here minus is there, so minus 35. Here left side minus, right side minus, both will get cancelled, so we remains with 5d is equals to 35. Then d is equals to 35 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 sevens are, d is equals to 7. That d is nothing but the common difference. Now this d value we can substitute either in the first equation or second equation, so that we will get a value. I am taking the first equation. A plus 10d is equals to 38. Here a plus 10 of d value 7 is equals to 38. A plus 10 sevens are 70 is equals to 38. So a is equals to plus 70 I am taking to the right side. 38 minus 70. So a is equals to minus 32. Now we have a value minus 32 and common difference 7. We need to find the 31st term. So a 31, 31st term a plus 30t. So a value minus 32 plus 30 into common difference 7, which is equals to minus 32 plus 37 are 210. 210 minus 32, 178. So 31st term of the AP is 178. Next, question number 8. If the third and ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Here first word is third, so first number will be for third term. Second number is ninth term, so second number will be for ninth. So third term a plus 2d is equals to 4. Ninth term a plus 8d is equals to minus 8. I am doing subtraction here. Minus 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 will become plus. Plus a minus a both will cancel. 2d minus 8d minus 6d is equals to 4 plus 8, 12. Now this minus 6 I will take to the right side. D is equals to 12 divided by minus 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are. So D is equals to minus 2. This D value I will substitute in the first equation. First equation is a plus 2d is equals to 4. So a plus 2 into, in the place of d, minus 2 is equals to 4. A plus of minus minus 2 2s are 4 is equals to 4. This minus 4 I will take to the right side. A is equals to 4 plus 4. So a value is 8. Now we got the a, that is first term as well as common difference. Then he is asking which term of this AP is 0. So nth term formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An, that term is 0, is equals to a is 8 plus n value we don't know, minus 1 of d value is minus 2. Now this 8 I will take to the left side. Here 0 is there, so no problem with the 0. Directly plus 8 will become minus 8 is equals to n minus 1 of minus 2. This minus 2 also I will take to the left side. Minus 8 divided by minus 2 is equals to n minus 1. Here minus minus cancel, 2 ones are 2 fours are. So n minus 1 is equals to 4. This minus 1 if we take to the right side it will become plus 1. So n is equals to 4 plus 1, that is 5. So it means fifth term of that AP is 0. Question number 9. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Then find common difference. 17th term exceeds 10th term. It means 17th term A17 minus 10th term A10 is equals to 7. So A17 a plus 16d minus 10th term a plus 9d equals to 7. A plus 16d minus into a minus into plus 9d minus 9d is equals to 7. Plus a minus a cancel, 16d minus 9d, 7d is equals to 7. So d is equals to 7 by 7. So common difference is equals to 1. Yes, question number 10. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th terms is 100. Then what is the difference between their 1000th terms? So not to have any confusion, first AP I am taking as A1, A2, A3 and so on, and the second AP I am taking and so on. Just to avoid the confusion, first AP I am taking with the small letters and second AP I am taking with the capital letters. Now, two APs have the same common difference. So, that common difference I am taking with small d. For both the APs. Then, the difference between their 100th terms. For the first AP, what is the 100th term? A plus 99d. First term I took as A1 minus 100th term of this second AP, A1 plus 99d. So if we expand it, A1 plus 99d minus into A1 minus into plus minus 99d. He gave this is equals to 100. Here plus 99d minus 99d cancel, which is equals to 100. So we will get A1 minus A1 is equals to 100. It means first term of the first AP minus first term of the second AP is equals to 100. Next, then what is the difference between their 1000th term? What will be the 1000th term? A1 plus 999D minus capital A1 plus 999D. This value we need to find out now. If we expand it, A1 plus 999D minus into A1 minus A1 minus into plus minus 999D. So here plus 999D minus 999D will get cancelled. So we remains with A1 minus A1. So already we know A1 minus A1 value is exactly equals to 100. So the difference between their thousandth terms is 100. Question number 11 is, how many 3-digit numbers are there which are divisible by 7? So first I am writing all the 3-digit numbers. Starting from 100. So 100, 101, 102 and so on till 999. These are 3-digit numbers, and from this we want only the numbers which are divisible by 7. So first 100 is not divisible by 7, 101 not divisible, 102 not divisible, 103 not divisible, 104 not divisible. Next is 105. 105 is the number which is divisible by 7. Next number will be 112, next number will be 119 and so on till last number is 999. 999 is not divisible, 998 not divisible, 997 not divisible, 996 not divisible, 995 not divisible. So the last number is 994. These are the 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. So now he is asking how many are there. Nth term formula. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. An last term n 994 is equals to A value 105 plus n we don't know. Common difference, it is divisible by 7, so compulsory it will be 7 only. Now this 105 I will take to the left side, so we will get 994 minus 105 is equals to n minus 1 into 7. Okay, here 994 minus 105 is equals to 889, which is equals to n minus 1 into 7. Now I will take this 7 also to the left side, so we get n minus 1 is equals to 889 divided by 7. So n minus 1 is equals to 7 cancel, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 7s are 29. So 127. Now minus 1 I will take to the right side, it will become plus 1. So n is equals to 128. So 128 3-digit numbers are there which are divisible by 7. Okay, the next question is, how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? First he is asking about 4 multiples only. So if you write all those numbers 10, 11, 12, 13 and so on till 248, 249, 250. Now he is asking about multiples of 4, nothing but divisible by 4. 10 not divisible, 11 not divisible, 12 divisible. So starting from 12 divisible, next number will be 12 plus 4 16, next number 16 plus 4 20 and so on. Here 250 it is not divisible by 4, 249 not divisible by 4, 248 yes it is divisible. So we got the progression. Now we need to find how many numbers are there. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here An is the last term, 248 is equals to A first term 12 plus n we don't know, n minus 1 of D. We are going with the 4 multiplies, so 4 it will be. Now 12 I will take to the left side, so 248 plus 12 will become minus 12 is equals to n minus 1 into 4. 248 minus 12, 236 is equals to n minus 1 into 4. Now I will take 4 also to the left side, so 236 divided by 4 is equals to n minus 1. 4 1s are 4 5s are 20, 4 9s are 36. N minus 1 is equals to 59. Now I will take minus 1 to the right side, it will become plus 1. So n is equals to 59 plus 1, that is 60. So it means in between 10 to 250, 60 numbers are there which are divisible by 4. Otherwise, 64 multiples are there. The next question is, for what value of n are the nth terms of two APs are equal? Two progressions are given and he is asking for what value of nth their nth terms are equal. So for the first progression, if we take a1 plus n minus 1 into d1, here because here first term both are different, so that's why I'm taking this as small a1, and this one will be capital A1 plus n minus 1 into capital D1, because he didn't mention anywhere that those two have same common difference, so that's why here I am taking small d1 and here I am taking as capital D1. Now for what value of n, this n value is the same, we need to find that. Are the nth terms of two APs are equal. So nth term of the first AP is equals to nth term of the second AP. Now let us substitute the numbers. A1 first term 63 plus n value don't know, n minus 1 into common difference, second term minus first term, 65 minus 63 2 is equals to first term in the second progression 3 plus n minus 1 into d common difference 10 minus 3 7. Now here 63 plus 2 into n, 2n minus 2 into 1 2 is equals to 3 plus 7 into n, 7n, here minus 7 into 1 7. Now n I will take one side and remaining all the numbers I will bring one side. Here 63 as it is, minus 2 as it is, this plus 3 if we take to the left side will become minus 3, minus 7 if we bring to the left side will become plus 7 is equals to 7n as it is, this plus 2n I will take to the right side, it will become minus 2n. 63 minus 3 60 plus 7 67 minus 2 65 is equals to 7n minus 2n 5n. So n is equals to 65 divided by 5, 5 ones are 5 15s are, so n is equals to 5 13s are 13. N is equals to 13. It means 13th term of these two progressions are equal. Question number 14. Determine the AP whose third term is 16. Third term is 16. So A plus 2D is equals to 16. This is equation 1. And the seventh term exceeds the fifth term. Seventh term A7 exceeds the fifth term minus A5 by 12. Seventh term A plus 6D minus fifth term A plus 4D equals to 12. A plus 6D minus of A minus of plus 4D minus 4D is equals to 12. Here plus A minus A both will cancel. 6D minus 4D, 2D is equals to 12. 2D is equals to 12, then D is equals to 6. This D value I will substitute in this first equation. A plus 2D is equals to 16. A plus 2 into, in the place of D, 6 is equals to 16. A plus 2 6 are 12 is equals to 16. This plus 12 I will take to the right side, it will become minus 12. So A is equals to 16 minus 12. A is equals to 4. And he is asking determine the AP. So first term is there with us and common difference also there. By using this first term and common difference, we need to create that progression now. First term is 4 as it is. Now for this term keep on adding the difference. 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 6 22 and so on. So the arithmetic progression is 4 10 16 22 and so on. Question number 15. find the 20th term from the end of the AP. Till now we did from the beginning of the AP, whether finding 5th term or 10th term or 20th term or 100th term. Now this question is from the ending of the AP. So first we need to find how many terms are there in the given AP. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equals to 253 is equals to a value is 3 plus n minus 1 into common difference. Second term 8, first term 3. 8 minus 3, 5. This plus 3 I will take to the left side, so we will get 253 minus 3 is equals to n minus 1 into 5. 253 minus 3, 250 is equals to n minus 1. N minus 1 into 5. This 5 I will take to the left side, so we will get 250 divided by 5 is equals to n minus 1. 5 ones are 5 50s are. So n minus 1 is equals to 5050. Then this minus 1 if we take to the right side it will become plus 1. So n is equals to 50 plus 1, then n is equals to 51. It means total 51 terms are there in the given progression. So now this 253 will become 51st term. 51st term. Then from the last second term. Last second term. Total 51 terms are there. So this is the 51st term. Just before this it will be 50th term. So that is 51 minus 1, 50. The same way last third term 51 minus 2, 49. Observe here clearly now. Last second term 51 minus 1, last third term 51 minus 2. Then he is asking 20th term. So last 20th term is equals to 51 minus, here 2 is there means 1, here 3 is there means 2, here 20 is there means 19. So from 51 if we subtract 19 we will get 32. So it means we need to find the 32nd term from the beginning. This 32nd term from the beginning it will become the 20th term from the ending. So let us find the 32nd term. A32. A32 is equals to a plus 31d. A first term 3 plus 31 into common difference. Second term 8, first term 3. 8 minus 3, 5, which is equals to 3 plus 31 into 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15, 155. So 3 plus 155, 158. 32 term is 158. Otherwise 20th term from the end. 20th term from end is 158. Next question is the sum of the 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24. 4th term a plus 3d. 8th term a plus 7d. 4th term and 8th term addition is equals to 24. So if we solve it, a plus a 2a, 3d plus 7d 10d is equals to 24. Every term I will divide by 2. So by 2, by 2, by 2. 2 cancel, 2 ones are 2 5s are 2 12s are. So we will get a plus 5d is equals to 12. This is equation 1. Next, and the sum of the 6th and 10th terms. 6th term a plus 5d plus 10th term a plus 9d is equals to 44. A plus a 2a plus 9d plus 5d 14d is equals to 44. Here also same, every term I will be divided by 2. 2 cancel, 2 1s are 2 7s are 2 1s are 2 22s are. So we will get the equation as A plus 7D is equals to 22. This is equation 2. I will solve now equation 1 and equation 2. So equation 1 is A plus 5D is equals to 12 and equation 2 is A plus 7D is equals to 22. These two equations I am doing subtraction. Plus will become minus, plus will become minus, plus will become minus. Plus A minus A cancel. 5D minus 7D minus 2D is equals to 12 minus 22 minus 10. Here minus minus will get cancelled. So 2D is equals to 10. Then D is equals to 5. Now this D value we can substitute either in the first equation or else in the second equation. I am going with the first equation. So A plus 5 into D value is 5 is equals to 12. A plus 5 5 is 25 equals to 12. 25 I will take to the right side. So A is equals to 12 minus 25. A is equals to minus 13. A equals to minus 13 and D equals to plus 5. So by using this A, that is first term, and D common difference, we need to find the first three terms of AP. So A is nothing but first term, that is A1 minus 13. He is asking first three terms, so A1, A2, A3. Now keep on adding the common difference. For this minus 13 plus 5, minus 13 plus 5 minus 8. Again for this minus 8 common difference, minus 18 plus 5 minus 3. So the first three terms of the AP are minus 13, minus 8, minus 3. Let us check the last problem in this exercise. Subbarao started his job in 1995 at a monthly salary of 5,000 rupees and received an increment of 200 rupees each year. In which year did his salary reach 7,000 rupees? So in the beginning his salary is 5,000 rupees. Every year it will increase by 200. So first year 5,200 rupees, again increased by 200, 5,400 rupees, again increased by 200, 5,600 rupees, and so on. So if you observe this is in progression. Which progression then? Obviously arithmetic progression, because every time it is increasing by 200. So common difference is 200. So now AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN, in which year it is reaching 7,000. So 7,000 is equals to A, first term 5,000 plus N, we don't know, N minus 1 into D, common difference 200. This 5,000 I will take to the left side. So we will get 7,000 minus 5,000 is equals to N minus 1 into 200. 7,000 minus 5,000, 2,000 is equals to N minus 1 into 200. This 200 I will take to the left side. So we get N minus 1 is equals to 2000 divided by 200. Here 2 zeros, here 2 zeros cancel. 2 1s are 2 10s are. N minus 1 is equals to 10. This minus 1 I will take to the right side. It will become plus 1. So N is equals to 10 plus 1, 11. It means after 11 years. So here it is in 1995, then in 2005. In 2005 his salary will become 7,000 rupees. Till now if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.